igama lakhe uMthokoziseni Zipho Zonke Maphisa. Yes.
You told this court that, Mr. Zungu, that you don't know accused number 4, but you don't know if he does know you.
Wena ke ubufakazi bakho mnumzane Zungu utheke wena awumazi umangalelo wesine lo. Kodwa awazi ukuthi mhlawumbe yena uyakwazi na. That is correct.
He instructs me to tell you that he doesn't know you at all.
Uthi ke ummeli wakhe utshela ummeli wakhe umangalelo wesine ukuthi ke makakwazise ukuthi yena akakwazi inhlobo.
Do you understand?
Yes, usisa baba.
Yeah.
Yes, I hear you.
Yes. You told this court that the first time that you met Constable Zungu, it was around 2017, 2018.
Uthe uqala kwakho ke ukuhlangana naye ke uConstable Zungu kwakuyiminyaka le 2017 2018 khona lapha.
Yebo.
Yes.
Can you recall, Mr. Zungu, after I've met him during that period, 2017, 2018, on how many occasions did you meet him thereafter?
Manje ke sewuhlangane naye uphinde wahlangana naye futhi mhla ka 2017 2018 emveni kwalokho ke. Uyakhumbula mhlawumbe ukuthi nahlangana amahlandla abawungakhi emveni kokuthi senihlangene ngo 2017 2018?
Hey, amahlandla abemaningi ngoba ebengachazi befese afike manje.
It was on many occasions because he would not say that he's coming, would just arrive.
Ngizwe njengoba sengqongqoze ebusuku ngivukele.
I would just hear from him knocking at in the evening and then be asleep at that time, wake up and open.
During those occasions that you have met him in Emelo, that is the time now that you meet Constable Zungu in Emelo, was there an occasion where the name of Mr. Mthokoziseni Zipho Zonke Maphisa was mentioned?
Manje ke kuwonke lamahlandla lawo ohlangana naye uConstable Zungu lo. Noma amahlandla afike ngawo lapha eMelo. Kuye kwaba khona isikhathi lapho ninabo khona nengqondo noma kwavela leli gama lakhe ke uMthokoziseni Zipho Zonke Maphisa. Liye levela lelo gama.
Cha ngiyaqala.
No, it's for the first time.
On that occasion where Constable Zungu came and he took you to the vehicle where you met Brigadier Geninda, you thereafter went to this office that you don't know. Was the name of Mthokoziseni Zipho Zonke Maphisa mentioned in that occasion?
Manje nkathi ke efika la Constable Zungu la uhlala khona ezokulanda ekholela ke emoteni lapho wafika wahlangana khona no Brigadier Geninda nahamba wathathwa wayisa kuleli office wena othi ke awulazi. Manje ke nake liye lavela ke yini leli gama la kaMthokoziseni Zipho Zonke Maphisa?
Akaze ngilizwe.
No, I've never heard of it.
Let us now refer to Exhibit Triple U of the record, which is the statement dated the 17th of November 2019. It was taken at 16:25 in the afternoon.
I did not get the last part.
It is dated the 17th of November 2019.
Lesi statement kuthiwa ke senziwe mhla noma sibhalwe ukuthi sibhalwe umhla ka 17 November kunyaka waka 2019.
Mr. Zungu, is it correct that the 4 digits before the 4 digits of your identity number before the 082 number are 5595? Do you confirm that?
5595. Manje ke i-ID number yakho babuzungu ngaphambi kwalezi number lezi ezokugcina u082. Manje kuyiqiniso ukuthi lezi number ezine ezisemaphakathini ziwu5595.
I can also hand to you the copy of the identity document.
It would be better if
I'll give you the copy of the identity document. Maybe it would be proper that I just read your identity number. Is it correct, Mr. Zungu, that your identity number reads as follows: 580214 5595082?
Iy'nombolo zakho lezi zakamazisi izona lezi ke.
izo lezi.
Yes, this is the one.
With reference to exhibit triple U of the record, which is the statement that I have referred to. So it is not correct that your identity number, as it is reflected in exhibit triple U, is 580214 558082.
It's not?
Is it correct, Mr. Zungu, that with reference to exhibit triple U,
Yes.
that is the identity number that is reflected there? Your identity number is not 580214 558082.
Manje ke lesi sinesi statement la babunqumalo bathe ke uthanda ukuthi sisibheke. Manje kulesi statement ke kuqukethwe iID number. Manje le ID number le uyayifunda ukuthi ke i580214 558082 ayifanani nale.
Angiyazi ngiyashoda qinisile bese ayifanayo.
Yes, you are correct. They are not the same.
I will leave that aspect for argument in relation to the contextual approach that was adopted by my colleague Advocate Mnisi. Let us now go to the number that is reflected on exhibit triple U. Your contact number ending 652, is that your number?
Or is in which page, Mr. Ngumalo?
The number ending 652, is it your contact number? On page 1 of exhibit triple U.
Number le ebhalwe la inumber yocingo le number yakho.
Yeah, kwakuyiye.
Yes, it used to be my number.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. Thank you, my daughter. I have no further questions.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.